What's going down, everybody? This is your girl Manny coming back at you like a player always do. And this time around we are doing a reading I like to call Underlying Issue. If this is your first time tuning in, Underlying Issue is where I shuffle a deck. We look at the last card of the deck, which us tarot readers call underlying energy, and we form a storyline based off that last card. Okay? So, with that being said, that's what we're doing. All my information is going to be in the description box. I already sprayed, prayed, and cleansed the energy. The click-clacking is just my crystals. And, we're going to go on ahead and get into it, man. I feel inspired to use the Golden Girl. Ooh, can I get it out? Okay. The Golden Girls Tarot. This is how it looks. Alright. Alright. So, Universe, Spirit Team, what message do you have for the collective? What do you want us to know? What do you need us to know? And what should we know at this moment in time? Please reveal it to us, and please make the message very clear for us. Thank you so much. Right. So let's see what the last card is. Ooh. 10 of Wands. Alright. Get a little closer. 10 of Wands. Okay, so some of you, like, you're really stressed out. But I feel like you're allowing someone or something to stress you out. This may have something to do with you having a hard time saying no and being a people pleaser. A lot of you taking on a lot of extra tasks. You bit off way more than you can chew, and it's just like, damn. Like, this is a lot. This is a lot. This is too much. Somebody is expecting, like, the most out of you. Somebody, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, they hold you in such a high regard and put you on such a high pedestal that it brings a lot of anxiety to you. It brings a lot of pressure to you. I feel that you have like a need to be perfect because someone is they're projecting to the world that you are this perfect individual. They're projecting to the world that you're just this amazing individual, and you are amazing. But the image in what they're giving off is that you can do no wrong. You know what I'm saying? There's no flaws to you. And you're just like, man, that's like the furthest thing from the truth. So there's just a lot of pressure on you right now. A lot. Too much. You're definitely ready to drop this burden. You're ready to drop a lot of responsibilities that you've taken on. you're ready to let people know, like, I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not allowing this anymore. I'm not going along with this anymore. This is unacceptable now. And, like, if you don't like it, you just don't like it. Okay? No one's forcing you to be around me. You know what I'm saying? So, that's definitely the energy. For some reason, I feel the need to look under. Ooh. Six of Swords, just confirming everything I just said. Like, you're moving on. You're dropping the bullshit. You're dropping the burdens. You're dropping the load. You're letting go and being free. And you're just gonna move away from all these crazy ass expectations that people have for you and set for you. Craziness, man. Let's see, Universe, Spirit Team, what deck can we use to further clarify this storyline? Okay, so we're going to use Old Faithful, which is the Rider-Waite deck. I just like to call it that. And off the top, Seven of Pentacles was under the deck as I opened it. And some of you is you're just tired of it. So tired and stressed. Like, some of you, like, it's affecting you in other ways. Like, I feel like some of you are in school and taking classes, and it's like you can't focus properly. Like, it's fucking with your energy. Some of you, like, your appetite's not the same. I feel like a lot of you really just been holding, not all of you, but a lot of you been holding, you know, how you truly feel about the situation. You've been holding it in. And for you, you're just like, I don't want to explode on anybody. You know, I don't want to explode on anybody. I don't want to cuss anybody out. I don't want to take it there. So it's like I have to say my truth. I have to stand in my truth and say how I feel, and, you know, let people know and create these boundaries. Like, you know, I can't do this anymore. This isn't acceptable anymore. What else you want us to know about this situation? King of Pentacles in reverse. So for some of you, like, it's fucking with your money. Okay? It's messing with your finances. Your finances may have slowed down. Some of you may had to change, like, your work schedule. I'm sensing somebody literally having to change your schedule to adjust it to someone else's schedule. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're having to work around somebody else. You know what I'm saying? Like, not even just your work. I feel like there's a lot of things in your life in general that you had to adjust for somebody else. Your work life, your personal life, school. Okay, Two of Wands, Five of Pentacles. Okay, you making plans. You making plans to change your life. You know what I'm saying? Because you're tired of being in this Five of Pentacles energy. You're feeling like you feel like you're missing out on shit. You know what I'm saying? Some of you really, like, your life revolves around somebody. I don't know if you help somebody or you take care of somebody. I'm just feeling like this may not apply to all you guys, but I'm just feeling like there's somebody where your life literally revolves around somebody else. You're like literally catering to somebody else. With this Two of Wands, like, you see how they're holding the world in their hand? Like, you're making the necessary steps and planning to change your life and to bring it back to what it was before this point. You're just like, no. Like the way I had my King of Cups in reverse, like this shit is very upsetting. It's very frustrating. I feel like you may have been like a positive and loving being and like all, not that you're not that, but you don't express those things as much. Like you're not as happy. But what I was saying, like you're going back, okay? Whatever your schedule used to be, you're going back to that. Whatever you used to do, you're going back to that. You know what I'm saying? You're going to continue to, you're going to make time for you again. 'Cause I feel like you didn't even really have time to do what you want to do. Because you're constantly helping other people. And then you're constantly like at school or at work. Like you don't even have a social life at this point. Like you barely even have time to fucking sit down and eat a meal in peace. Like you're constantly on the move, you're constantly on the go, whether it's for you, for what you got going on, or for somebody else, or for just other people, a group of people. How can the collective move forward in this situation? Like we know they're ready to change and make the necessary changes, but what else can they do? Yay. Okay, so we have Queen of Cups in reverse, and we have Four of Swords in reverse. Alright. I feel like you gotta get your emotions back together. Yeah, man, for a lot of you, it definitely it affected your emotional state. Like I said, it used to be way happier, free, loving, funny, like, you used to light up the room, and now it's like you're just drained. You're drained, you're tired, you don't want to entertain anybody. Some of the time you don't want to talk to anybody. You're just like, you're not your normal self. Ooh, what's under the deck? Page of Pentacles in reverse. As well as King of Swords. Like I said, you're tired of missing out. You're tired of losing. You're tired of not living how you want to live and doing what you want to do. You feel like a fucking caged bird. So with this King of Swords, it's like you're ready to stand up and speak your truth, say your truth, and just say what is. And what is this shit ain't working for you. It ain't working for you, and you don't want to live your life like this. And whoever can accept it, it is what it is. You don't know what to tell them, and you don't have to explain yourself. All you gotta do is let them know how you feel. This is your life. You got one life to live. You gotta do what's best for you. Like, fuck all this. Because your happiness and peace of mind, like, you have to take care of you. You have to do what's best for you. You feel what I'm saying? So always take care of yourself. Always don't, don't apologize or feel bad for, taking care of your mind, body, and spirit. You know what I mean? Because those are crazy important. They're crazy important, and no one can do that for you but you. That's what you have to do for you. And the funny part is, if somebody else could do it for you, I highly doubt whoever you're dealing with will even do it for you anyway. Even after all you do for them. But that's another story. So, with that being said, I ask the Most High to provide you with everything you need to make it through this situation. For those who already made it through, congrats on standing on your truth and just being honest and letting yourself out the cage. Okay? I send you love and peace and harmony. Until next time, I'm out.